A very good morning, students. Welcome to Blue Stars. This is your 9th standard class, biology. Today we are going to discuss about the unit 20. A lesson topic is organ system and animals. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the male reproductive system. I hope you all are active in this class. Okay, ma. In this class, what we are going to discuss a male reproductive system in the page number of 242. Okay, we already discussed about that male reproductive system, some parts, and we have seen some diagram also, right? In this class we are going to discuss about a detailed explanation of each and every parts. Just you have to recall once again what we have seen in some parts: testes, scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, and accessory glands we have seen, right? So today we are going to discuss about the first thing of a male reproductive system is a testis. Okay, we already say that is a primary sex organ. So just write a topic of testis. Here a testis is a primary sex organ. This testes are just lies. Where they are lies we are said. This is the testis now. They are having a oval in shape, and inside of a scrotum they are having a oval in shape of a testis. So this is the testis where it is present outside of the abdominal cavity. Outside of abdominal cavity. Abdominal, that is a stomach part just below to that. Okay, outside of an abdominal cavity, and here a testis is a male gonads. இது என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்கப்பா? Male gonads. What is a gonads? Gonads na என்னப்பா first? Gonads அப்படினா the organ which is responsible to produce the gametes. Gametes produce பண்ற organs தான் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா gonads ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, first gametes என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Here are gametes. Gametes அப்படினா in a male, if you take a male and female, மேலுக்கும் ஃபீமேலுக்கும் gametes அப்படின்னு என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா a male are producing the sperm இல்லையா, and female are producing the ovum. So this is the gametes. Okay va? Here both of them fused together to form a fetus. Fetus form ஆகும் இல்லையா? So that is the what? Gametes. The gametes produce பண்ற organs உடைய பேர் தான் gonads. Okay, and here a testes of a male gonads which produce the gametes is called what? A sperm. Okay, with the help of some hormones. So the sperm produce பண்ணனும்னா male they are having some hormones. The name is testosterone. What is a hormone name? Testosterone. Okay va? This is male sex hormone. See what? A male sex hormone. Okay va? They are only responsible for a development of a sperm in the testis. Along inside of each testis they are having a mass of colloidal tube. Colloidal tube இருக்கு. Where it is na? Just see here. We already said that this is the testis. Here what they have said, along inner side of each testis. We already drawn a diagram na. Inner side of each testis, a mass of colloidal tube. This is a seminiferous tube. And here they are combined to that. They are forming a mass of a colloidal tube is called epididymis. See what? Epididymis. Okay va? And here I'm already said that if you're taken a cross section for a seminiferous tubule, this is the cross section of a seminiferous tubule. They are having a two cells, Sertoli cells and Leydig cells. Just like this here. And here also. Okay ma, here this is the what? A Sertoli cell. Sertoli cells இருக்கு, they are only provide a nourishment. Nourishment யாருக்கு? For that a developing spermsக்கு just they are given a nourishment, and inside of a seminiferous tubule just they are attached to that. This is what? A sperm. The wall attach பண்ணிட்டு develop ஆகும். So that a serotoli cells are providing a nourishment to the developing sperm. In case they are won't given any nourishment to that sperm, they won't get a proper development. Okay, so that's it for an testis. I hope you have to understand to that what is the meaning of testis. First thing, just have to recall once again. First thing, in male testis they are oval in shape, hanging outside of an abdominal cavity. Okay, if a testis is a testis என்றது என்னது? Male gonads. இதுதான் என்ன சொல்றாங்க? testis male gonads ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Gonads அப்படின்னா they are say responsible for production of gametes. Gametes another sperm in male, அதுவே female இருந்தா ovum. Here gametes are producing sperm in the male with the help of some sex hormones. To see what is sex hormones of male, that is the testosterone. Testosterone is the sex hormone, so they are secrete the hormone in the male to development of sperm. Sperm develop ஆகிறதுக்கு just they are responsible for that. And next one, inner side of a cell. Inner side of a testis, they are having a mass of seminiferous tubule, and here outside of that they are having epididymis. If you take a cross section எடுத்தோம்னாக்கா they are having a two type of cells, serotoli cells and Leydig cells ன்னு இருக்கு. Serotoli cells தான் என்ன கொடுக்குது? just they are giving a nourishment to the sperm. spermக்கு nourishment கொடுக்குறவங்க serotoli cells தான். okay, for the proper growth and development. okay, helpful for that serotoli cells. okay, so that's it for a testis. We'll be more next one, scrotum. Yes, here the next reproductive system in male is scrotum. okay, here a scrotum, we already say that they are covered the structure of sperm. okay, how they are covered na? just like this. This is the scrotum, loose pouch like structures. We already said na, sac like structures. Sac like a structure of a covering portion, and here they are made up of a skin only, and they are divided internally. what they are said? They are divided internally, and here they are having a testis, and here also they are having a testis, and here they are divided internally. Just they are divided as a right and a left scrotal sac by the muscular partition. Partition என்னமா? ஒரு divisions மாதிரி. ஓகேவா? just they are present between them. ஒன்னுத்துக்கு நடுவுல இருந்ததுன்னா that is the partition சொல்லுவாங்க. here muscular partition. ஓகேவா? இந்த two testisக்கு muscular partitions மாதிரி just add to that. partitions இருக்காங்களா? and here they are contain in the scrotum இருக்குல்லையா? they are contain a number of nerves and blood vessels. they are contain what? a number of nerves and blood vessels. okay, and here we already say that at testes they are contain a sperm, and usually why they are hanging outside of an abdominal cavity, they need a lower temperature. lower temperature வேணும் sperm develop ஆவதுக்கு சொன்னோமா? here a scrotum, in the scrotum act as a thermoregulator. they act as a what? thermoregulator. what is a thermoregulator? thermo, which mean a temperature. okay, and regulator to mean to maintain the temperature. okay, எதுக்கு? to development of sperm. okay, usually normal temperature விட they need a lower temperature. for the sperm development they need a lower temperature, comparatively 1 to 3 degree Celsius lower than the normal temperature, normal body temperature. okay, so here a scrotum is act as a thermoregulator. okay, scrotum na thermoregulator, temperature maintain பண்றதுக்கு act as a scrotum help to that. okay, so that's it for a scrotum. I hope you have to understand what is a scrotum. just have to recall once again. remember பண்ணலாமா? here a scrotum is the muscular sac like structure. just they are divided as a two parts with the help of an muscular partition மூலயமா டிவைட் பண்ணுறாங்க ரெண்டு டெஸ்டிஸையும். ஓகேவா? அண்ட் ஹியர் தே ஆர் contain a number of nerves and blood vessels. ஓகேவா? and not only that, they act as a thermoregulator. temperature maintain பண்றாங்க for the development of sperm. usually they need a 1 to 3 degrees Celsius lower. நார்மலாக 37 degree Celsiusனா அதை விடவும் 1 or 3 degree Celsius lower than the body temperature. ஓகேவா? so that's it for a scrotum. and next video we are going to discuss about the vas deferens and urethra. Let me move vas deferens and urethra.